Welcome to Grizz's workshop. This great lummox is Grizz.
Not an expert or an exemplar of safety.
More Christmas stuff this week. I made these reindeers 2 years ago, and everyone I gave them to loved them. They mainly went to family. My grandma loved hers. Last Christmas she moved from a home of 50 years into a care home. I didn't think she had a little reindeer with her, so I made her another one. If you're going to make one, make a whole herd. This design was made using templates purchased from Nick Engler, known on YouTube as Workshop Companion. He has lots of designs and inventions. I love watching his videos, especially the bits where his dog is trying to figure out who Nick is speaking to.
You talking to me? You talking to me? You talking to me? Well, who the hell else are you talking? You talking to me? Well, I'm the only one here.
I've left a link below to his video, and that in turn will have a link to his plans. His design used various hardwoods to make up the feet, nose, antlers and body of the deer. I just use an old pine table and board and then router strip to pour some epoxy in to make up the nose. Last time I also painted the feet and reinforced the antlers with gold epoxy. The weak spot is the antler, where the boards meet. So sometimes, if the glue's not great, it'll need a bit of reinforcement here. When I finished making the first two, one for my grandma and then another friend, I took them away to their new home. When I returned, I brought home my grandma's old reindeer, which was left at her old home and was missing a leg. I don't like to throw things away just because they're broken, so I gave him a new leg. I made it out of oak so it would stand out as not original. I then finished off the remaining herd. Here they all are, and some of them are looking for a home this Christmas.
See you next time on Grizz's Workshop.